Once there was a wise king. He had two sons. He appointed eminent scholars to teach them all arts. After a few years, the king fell ill badly, so he wanted to select the next king for his kingdom. He wanted to test his son's abilities. He called both of them and gave them a room to each one. He said, "You must fill your room completely with anything you wish. It can be anything, but there should not be any space left behind, and you should not seek advice from others." The next day, the king visited the elder son's room. The room was completely filled with hay. The king sighed on the foolishness of the elder son. Then he went to the room given to the younger son, but it was kept closed. The king knocked at the door. The younger son asked his father to get in and closed the door again. There was darkness everywhere, and the king shouted at his son angrily. But the younger son lighted a candle and said, "I have filled this room with light." Now the king felt very happy and hugged his son proudly. He understood that the younger son would be the right person to rule the kingdom.